Thanks for stopping by my channel where we discuss hair, fashion, and lifestyle. Let's get into the topic for today. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bialanese, and I am back. I'm basically doing like a little talk over video showing how I blow dry my hair, and also just showing where my hair is as far as length and things of that nature, because I'm thinking I'm going to start a hair growth journey once I decide on a protective style that I will feel like doing over and over. So this is just me kind of showing how I blow out my hair, how I detangle it, the products that I use, and I'll put them in the description box as well. I do use some DIY products, and I also use some commercial products as well. I can't make everything just yet, but this is basically me sectioning off my hair. I'm putting on some, I believe that was some Aunt Jackie's Not Today detangler, and of course I put on my OG Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. That bottle that you saw me hold up in the beginning, that was like one of my DIY hair growth oils with like fenugreek, amla oil, Jamaican black castor oil, jojoba oil. There's a whole bunch of good stuff in there. And I also have a cream made with the same oil that basically, to get the creamy texture, I melted down some mango butter and some shea butter, and then I mixed the oil in, whipped it up, and boom, hair cream. So yeah, and I'm just detangling my hair with a Denman brush. I did section it off in about, that looks like about 6 sections. This video was pre-recorded, and excuse me, I'm just now learning how to edit videos, and I just downloaded this app so I can edit videos, and I'm really liking it. So I recorded this video. It is November 21st right now. I recorded this video back in I believe the end of October. So yeah, this video is about a month old, and this is just me blow drying my hair. That was a new blow dryer at the time, because I wanted one with a comb attachment. I got sick of using my Denman brush and the one with just the tunnel, it's like the tunnel blow thingy or whatever. So technical, right? But yeah, so this is just me twisting up my hair after I've blown it out, and I'm gonna post a picture somewhere in this video so you guys can actually see how far my hair has come. Yeah, that's my heat protectant. I do use a Tresseme heat protectant. But yeah, I'm gonna post a video, a picture somewhere in this video showing where my hair was around the beginning of my hair growth journey. I got my last perm in May of 2017. I big chopped everything in September of 2018, and the picture that I'm gonna post is from February of 2019. That was actually the first time that I had worn my hair out since I had big chopped. Literally the day I big chopped, I had some hair at the house, and I threw some twists in my head, and I would take them down about every 3 to 4 weeks whenever they would start getting frizzy or my hair would start poking out, and I'd wash my hair, deep condition it, and throw the twist back in, because that was the shortest my hair had ever been, and I just did not feel comfortable. Yeah, you see that oil on my neck? Yeah, I kind of got a little carried away when I was oiling my scalp in the beginning. But yeah, so I'm going through just blow drying my hair out section by section and putting heat protectant on there section by section. And once I get it fully dry, I go ahead and twist it back up. And I was blow drying it on medium heat, and then I would go back and hit it with the cool setting, just to get it as I want to say as straight as possible, when really if I wanted to do that, I would have put it on the high setting, but I didn't want to put that much heat on my hair, especially since I wasn't going to flat iron it. I really don't blow dry my hair on high, period, though, because my hair, the strands themselves are pretty fine, so it doesn't take that much for my hair to get straight. Like, as you can see from the shrinkage and the actual curl pattern, I have type 4 hair, you know, so it's not like it's a looser texture. That's why, excuse me, that's why I get so straight. It's just my strands are fine, so I mean, it doesn't take that much to straighten them out, and unfortunately that means it doesn't take that much to break them either. And if you guys actually see my hair flat ironed, you'll see like what I mean when I say I have fine strands. Like when you see it blown out, it's like, oh my god, look at all that hair, it's so thick. But then once you see it flat ironed, it's like, oh yeah, that hair is kind of fine. But yeah, I have trimmed my ends excuse me, and clipped I have flat ironed my hair and trimmed my ends since this video, because I hadn't trimmed my ends in such a long time, and those ends were horrible. Like, they were bad. I really still have a little bit more that I need to trim, but I don't want to cut that much off. And you know, before the time of the pandemic, I would have just gone to like a natural hair salon and let them do it for me. But yeah, it's not that important for me to go out and risk that when I can pretty much do it myself, you know? So this is just me twisting up my hair and keeping it out of the way. I'm gonna untwist it at the end so you can kind of see, I wouldn't even call it a twist out, but just kind of see how long my hair is, how thick it is, how fluffy it is. And then you'll also see that picture, so you can see a comparison from February of 2019 to the end of October 2020. So what's that, maybe about 18 months of growth. And in between that time, I did start doing like DIYs with like Ayurveda and things like that, like Ayurvedic herbs, just to kind of make my hair grow. And yeah, so like I was saying, I was using DIYs. I think I started using them about a year ago. Not consistently at all, but I did make my first hair growth oil like at the end of 2019. And so yeah, this is the growth from February 2019 to October 2020. Thanks you guys, bye.